There has been a bunch of messages coming from my students, specifically from my Shopify theme development course. They're requesting for help regarding the Shopify CLI version 3. With the new Shopify CLI, they were not able to create their very own theme project. And when I say their very own project, I'm talking about their very own Shopify theme project, not the Shopify theme done. Because when you execute the command Shopify theme init, yes, it should create or clone the Shopify theme done. But when you execute the command with the flag clone URL, if you provide a repository, it should not clone the Shopify theme done. It should instead clone the repository that you provided in the argument or in the flag clone URL. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, I hope. Now I'm making this video here on YouTube instead on my course, and that is because this is temporary. Obviously, Shopify will immediately update this or fix this issue. And by the time you're watching this video, it's probably fixed. So as much as possible, update your Shopify CLI to the latest. I know it's a very scary thing to do, to update your tools, because it might ruin your projects, but it's necessary to update your tools, especially your Shopify CLI. So with all that being said, how can we avoid this issue? What is the workaround? Well, the answer is very, very simple, and that is to use Git. Now, when I say Git, you probably know the solution already. So please keep watching the video because I need watch time. So you need to use Git and then clone command and clone your repository, and then that's pretty much it. You cloned your Shopify theme project, your own Shopify theme. So let me show you what I'm talking about, or let me give you the steps to do that, okay?
Okay, so now we're here in the computer. The first thing that we're going to do, obviously, is to log into the Shopify partner and to open our development store. As you can see here, I have my Shopify development store opened, and the next thing that we need to open is VS Code. This is where we're going to execute the command git clone, okay? So I have my VS Code open. I'll open a new terminal. So here, new terminal, and then I will type the command git clone, and then I will use the repository that we used in the Shopify theme development course. And I believe the URL is https://github.com/ my username, Polidorio, / and then the Elizabeth _clean. Okay, so we're going to use the clean repository because I do have two repositories for Elizabeth. The clean one with no sections, no snippets, etc. It's clean. And the Elizabeth, which is finalized with everything. Okay, latest one. So if I execute this command, it should clone the repository. Okay, so if I run this command, it should start cloning the Elizabeth_clean. And there you go, as you can see, here in the Explorer, I do have the folder, the working directory Elizabeth_clean, and have here the assets, the config, the layout, the locales, and templates, etc. I have everything. Now, what if we use the Shopify theme init? Okay, so I'm going to execute or run a new terminal, and then I'm going to type Shopify theme init, and then I'll call this project Elizabeth, and then I'll use the clone -URL flag to provide a repository. Now, once again, I'm not sure if this is going to work because maybe they have updated it. Maybe they have updated it. I can't speak. And then I'll use the repository github.com/ my username, and then Elizabeth_clean. Okay, so once again, Shopify theme. Let me just make this bigger. Shopify theme init, Elizabeth, that's the project name, and then clone URL flag, and then I'll provide the URL github.com, my username Elizabeth_clean. This should clone the Elizabeth underscore clean repository. But like I said, there was a problem, or there is a problem. It's not cloning the repository, it's just cloning the Dawn theme. So let's try that. I'll run the command. And there we go. As you can see, it's doing something. Now, if I scroll up, as you can see, it's just cloning the repository from Shopify. Shopify Dawn.git. And if I open the Elizabeth folder, as you can see, it's not my project. It's different from this one. I have everything. I have the assets folder. I have all of the CSS and JavaScript file. It's not my file. It's not my project. It's not my repository. So that was the issue, or that's the issue. That's the problem. So the workaround is to use git clone, and then the URL of your repository. And that's how you can start working on your project. Now, if I open the working directory, if I go back here, the terminal, and if I change my directory to Elizabeth underscore clean, now I can use the command Shopify theme dev. Okay. Now I'm not sure if this is going to work. Maybe I still need to log in because I haven't done that. So let's just wait for it. And there we go. It doesn't seem like you're running this command in a theme directory. Are you sure you want to proceed? Now, the reason why I'm getting this this problem or this warning, and that is because my project is incomplete. At least that's what I assume, because I only have here assets folder, config, layout, locales, templates. It's supposed to have sections folder. It's supposed to have other folder. I think it's supposed to have 7 folders. Yeah, the snippets as well. It's supposed to have snippets folder as well. Maybe that's the reason why. Maybe that's the reason why I'm getting this error. Okay? But we'll just ignore that. I'll select yes. I'll press 2. This should work, or if you're not logged in using Shopify CLI, it will ask you to log in, okay? But since I think I'm logged in, that's why it's working. So now I have here the local host, the URLs for customizing my theme, and the share theme preview. So if I open this in a new tab, or if I open this in a browser, open, I will get the following. So now it's working. Now we can try to customize the Shopify theme. So I'll just maximize the Explore tab, and I'll open the templates and then the index.liquid. And here I can type some random stuff or thing. Let's type hello to the Shopify theme Elizabeth from YouTube. Okay. I'll save that. And now I can refresh my browser. And there you go. You can see hello to the Shopify theme Elizabeth from YouTube. That means it's working. Now you can start working on your Shopify theme. Now you can continue watching my Shopify theme development course. So that's the workaround. That's how you avoid that problem, which is really, really easy to skip. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Obviously, I'm not going to put this on the course. I'll just refer you guys or tell my students to watch this video if they're still having the same problem. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you have more questions, if you have more problems, just let me know in the Q&A section, or if you have time, just comment down below. I'll appreciate it. Okay? I'll see you guys. Bye.